Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel, Angela Serendpity Arts, where out journals where we craft with the heart. I am glad if you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. And I have another box from Soto Studios, and we're gonna see what it has inside really quickly, and then I'm gonna try to do a spread. So if you coming back, thank you very much for your support and for all the amazing comments that you leave, and thank you very much for leaving me a little bit of your time to watch my videos. And if you're here and just only for a couple of seconds, don't forget to give me thumbs ups. That is free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps my channel. All the affiliate links, I get points and things, so just that you're aware of that. So let's start with the unboxing of Soto Studios. Okay, it came like this. This one excuse me, the other one that I did, this one came from their website. They have two websites. They have one in China and they have one in here. Here is a little Soto Studios. This is a sticker, just peel it off. Here is all the Instagram and everything that they have. And these are thank yous that they put in a little bag. Thank you for supporting my small business. I love supporting small business. And I had let's just take this paper, put this to the side. Or I got a couple papers here, smaller papers. That's cute. They're one-sided. And some stickers. Girls. This is like a vellum. This is cardstock. That's from Alice. Here is this looks like a girl and a lighthouse. So thank you very much for the freebies. I'm gonna put them in here, and they put it in a little pretty box. Okay, so it comes in this box. Whoops, I think I can swap it like that. Here is the sticker. It has another sticker there. Okay, it says Soto Studio. It comes, this is the Gothic Rose Enchanted Park. This was, I think, like $30. It comes with a bag that is pretty. There you can see how it comes with all the things. I haven't peeked. Okay, so let's see what is outside, what is in here. Everything comes really nice. Different kinds of envelopes, stickers. A washi. So this is very nice. So you can use it to store your kit or other embellishments that you want to do. Let's see first, what is this? Okay, this is a clip for you to put in your, hold the pages, like you hold the pages of your journal when you're journaling. like this, and they are roses. Isn't that gorgeous? I have a couple. I have already the hand. I have bought a couple. Okay, so that's came in there. Let's look at the washi. Okay, look how gorgeous this is. This is so me. Oh my gosh, it's got beautiful, beautiful. And these are pet stickers. And it doesn't repeat. I don't want to continue because then I'm going to get these. But these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't wait to make a spread with these. So this is the washi. Let's look. The paper doesn't say anything. This is papers. It's like a notebook. It's like different colors of papers. It's kind of gothic, so it's gonna have skulls. It's gonna have darker colors. It's really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, so that is you get, and there is about probably 50 papers in here or more. So let's just put this over here. Let's see, this one says stickers. Okay. Comes in this little envelope. These are cardboard stickers. I love the horror, and these ones are like a chest. A hand with a rose. Let me see if I can get you a little closer. There. There is a girl. There's another. There's black roses, a heart, skeleton, another skeleton. There's blue and like, there's like a blue orangey. And then there is this one, and this one. So all those came here. There's, I think, 50 stickers in here. So let's put those in there. There's another one, studio stickers. Let's see, these ones. These ones are also cardstock, and it has some windows, cracked windows. And then it has like ravens, black butterflies, different kinds of ravens. spiders. So those are the ones that came in this little envelope. Is really nice. So far. And then there is this, let's look at this little smaller one. This one, it says papers. Oh, these are frames. Gorgeous. And they're a good cardstock and they're embossed. Gorgeous. You get about 25 square, ovals, rounds. So those are other ones. And then last but not least, it says stickers. You get a lot of stickers in this one. Okay. And they are also more, there are cardboard stickers. It has backgrounds. It has people, not pretty people. So these are the, so that's what I got in this and little bag that you can see here, and my thank yous. And this is the Gothic Roses Mystery. I think it was less than $30, and shipping, I think it's around $5 or $6. There's a link down to this. I think they have it now here in the US, so it gets to you faster. I ordered this from the China website because they didn't have it here. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you soon to see what I can make with this. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and give me thumbs up. Bye.